Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your image and confirming orientation. This saves time later. Once imported, crop and rotate to lock composition. This affects all subsequent edits, so do it now. Make sure to open the stack's history to preserve non-destructive control, because you may need to revert specific steps. Then assess exposure and white balance quickly. Adjust global light and color before diving into local tools, since those depend on a stable overall balance, and keep your edits coherent. Now focus on mid-level targeted adjustments. Use selective to tweak brightness, contrast, saturation in specific zones. This isolates changes without flattening the whole picture. Once done, use the brush for fine exposure or warmth corrections and healing to remove distractions. Then apply tune image and curves for global tone refinement, because they set mood and dynamic range. Make sure to preview after each tool. Stacking too many effects hides problems, so toggle the stack to compare before moving toward final touches. Finish by adding finishing touches, vignette for focus, grain for texture, and a subtle frame if needed. Export at full resolution to preserve quality. Once done, save a copy so the original remains intact, and use export options to control file type. If you encounter posterization, color shifts, or banding, reduce aggressive curves and structure sliders and undo the last local contrast boost. Make sure you aren't overcompressing on export. One quick troubleshooting trick. Step back through the stack and toggle tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.